That's my puppy dog. This is my puppy dog. He's a cute puppy dog, and I love that puppy dog a lot.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
What's between those ears? Is it a brain? No, just floof.
You like having a dog, don't you?
She saved my life. Don't scroll. Hang on. I have one question. Will you be my friend?
Excuse me, it's been about 5 minutes since I've last gotten attention. I would like some more.
Take your ass to bed. Turn off the lights, get off that phone, and go to bed.
Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Wait.
I was born a dog. I identify as a dog, but according to my mom, I'm just a baby.
Are you grumpy? Are you a grumpy little gremlin? Are you a little grumpert wearing your grumpy pantaloons? Are you a floofy McGrump Grump? Is your name Grumpy McGrumperson?
It's so cold outside, and I just wanted to show you some of my favorite sweaters. This is my lucky date night sweater. This is my casually cool couch potato sweaters. Also my favorite sweaters. This is my I feel so cool in these sweater. This is my Ethnology after school sweater. And this is my bomber sweaters. Okay, I'm lying. This is a jacket, but I just wanted to show it to you because I love it.
Nationwide. Data from AAA today shows the average price remains $4.98, a 2-cent drop from a week ago. The White House is reportedly considering gas rebates due to fuel prices. North Carolina is also seeing a downward trend since yesterday. Average gas prices here have dropped a cent, falling to $4.61.
Mommy hugs Holly.
What was that you said? What was it? Did you not like going to the vet? Did you not get enough treats? Are you the cutest dog who ever dogged? Oh, honey bear. I love you. You're so good. What do you have to say again? You have crackles? I love you. You're so good.
You good?
Walang baw. Sobrang init talaga. Gusto ko na lang maging hotdog sa rep. Mom, let's go outside, please.
Would you like to go outside? All right, let's go.
Wanda, you know you're not supposed to have your stick in the house, right? Drop it. Drop your stick. You're just gonna stand there. You know you're not allowed to come in, so you're just gonna stand there by the door. Here's a treat. I'll trade you. Trade you this stick for that stick. Come on, Wanda. Drop the stick. You're just gonna sit there. Okay, you're silly.
You cannot have that kitty toy. Buddy. Buddy. You cannot have it. I see that you've been crying. But you can't have that toy because it's not yours, honey. It's just a little tiny mouse and you're a big boy. It's for the kitties. Buddy. Honey, that's not your toy. Oh, buddy, why are you so sad? This is pretty dramatic, don't you think? Okay, do you want a peanut butter Kong? Can we do a peanut butter Kong instead? Where's your Kong? Would that maybe make you feel better? Yeah, maybe a little bit. Want peanut butter Kong? Okay, let's go get it.
You're crazy. You're a crazy little dog. What is it?